What is REST API? If you have been or planning to be in a web development world, you must have encountered the term REST API. So what exactly does it mean? If you also have this question, like several others, stay tuned for today's session as we will be discussing the REST API in detail. Without wasting any more time, let's have a quick look at today's agenda, that is Introduction to API. What is REST API? Why use REST API? How does REST API work? Before I move any further with today's session, I would highly request all the learners to subscribe to Scalar's channel and click on the bell icon to be notified every time there is a new update. Introduction to API. Let's kickstart with an example. Consider a scenario where you are trying to book an online ticket to fly from Mumbai to Gujarat or Delhi to Karnataka or some other places in the world. You choose your favorite airline, say Indigo. There are hardly any chances that you would consider booking ticket from Indigo. However, you choose other known sources such as MakeMyTrip.com. Have you ever wondered you are booking from a third-party website and still getting a seat on the same plane? The answer to this brimming question is API or Application Programming Interface. In a digital era where web and mobile applications have become a necessity designed for human use, APIs are intended for other digital systems and applications to use. Web pages and APIs perform similar activities including returning data, content, images, videos and other information. You can assume an API as a middleman between client and the users. Moreover, it provides resources to the organization so that they access all the information and manage securities, authentications and control. It regulates who get access to what. Another leverage of API is you can access all the information without even knowing the source. Suppose you construct a tool. APIs provide elasticity, administration and convenience to make your startup successful. In this period of mixes, dividing information among frameworks is a high priority than any time in recent memory. Envision a web-based business site without mixes. On top of dealing with item postings, your site would have to construct instruments for handling installment, transporting, email robotization, client accounts and different capacities without anyone else. This is certifiably not a flexible arrangement, more effectively to reappropriate these undertakings to different administrations. Along these lines, to cooperate, programming applications uses APIs which give a normalized approach to two applications to send information to and fro. Your web-based business web page can communicate with installment programming, transporting programming and other fundamental mixes through their separate APIs. There are many ways to deal with making an API. However, in case you are keen on acquainting programming combinations with your item, there is one unique strategy you should know: REST APIs. Moving further, let's understand what is REST APIs and why they are so helpful. What is REST API? A customer is an individual or program utilizing the API. The customer causes solicitation to the API to recover some data or change something inside the application. Your internet browser is a customer. It collaborates with APIs of various sites to get page content from them. The mentioned information is sent back to your program and shown on your screen. An API is a bunch of decisions that characterize how applications or gadgets can associate with and speak with one another. A REST API is an API that adjusts to the planned standards of the REST or illustrative state move structure style. Thus, REST APIs allow for interaction with RESTful web services. First characterized in 2000 by PC researcher Dr. Roy Fielding in his doctoral thesis, REST gives designers a somewhat significant degree of adaptability and opportunity. This adaptability is only one motivation behind why REST APIs have arisen as a typical technique for associating parts and applications in a microservices design. REST is a bunch of rules that products can use to convey over the web to simplify reconciliation and adapt. A REST API is a particular API that follows these rules. REST represents representational state transfer. This simply implies that when a customer demands an asset utilization of REST API, the worker moves back to the present status of the asset in a normalized portrayal. All in all, REST APIs work by handling demands for an asset and returning all significant data about the asset, converting into an organization that customers can undoubtedly decipher. Customers can likewise change things on the worker and even add new items through a REST API. Suppose I need to fabricate a program that coordinates with YouTube. My program, that is customer, can ask YouTube's REST API for data about a particular video. YouTube's API will react to my solicitation with an asset state which incorporates credits such as the video name, distributing data, view check, and video interface, all bundled in a configuration that my program can rapidly parse and utilize. Likewise, my program could post a video to my own YouTube channel through the API. Since we know the advantages of REST APIs, we should carefully describe what makes REST APIs not quite the same as different kinds of APIs. Let's discuss the 7 descriptives of a REST API. Number 1, performance. How components interact affects performance. Modifiability. Modifiability of components to meet changing needs. Scalability. Able to support large number of components. Portability. Portability of the data, filled code. Visibility. Clear communication between components. Simplicity between interacting interfaces. And reliability of resistance to fail at a system level. Rules of REST API. To have complete profit from the usefulness of the REST gives, API should follow 6 necessities. Indeed, in fact 5 are required and 1 is discretionary. Each prerequisite lays the preparation of a fast and flexible API. Client-server separation. Under REST design, the customer and worker can communicate in one manner. The customer sends a solicitation to the worker, then at that point, the worker sends a reaction back to the customer. Workers can't make solicitations and customers can't react. All communications are started by the customer. By working on correspondence among customers and workers, RESTful APIs keep the two advantageously autonomous. Thus, customer programming can develop their works without stressing over influencing some other workers, and worker substance can be altered without unintentionally influencing customers. Uniform interface. The key to the decoupling client from server is having a uniform interface that allows independent evolution of the application without having the application services, models or actions tightly coupled to the API layers itself. The uniform interface let the client talk to the server in a single language independent of the architectural backend of either. This interface shall provide an unchanging standardized means of communication between the client and the server. Stateless. Every call with a REST API has to be stateless. This implies that each association is autonomous and each solicitation and reaction gives all the data needed to finish the corporation. Each solicitation by the customer is deciphered. The worker, as a spick and span asks the worker, remembers nothing about past demands. Stateless exchanges extraordinarily lessen the measures of worker memory required and work on changes of an adequate reaction, since the worker isn't needed to make extra move to recover old information. This guarantees that these connections are versatile as programming develops and makes more demands. Engineers don't have to stress over altogether more memory being utilized or overburdening the worker with demands. Layered system. So far, I have depicted API demands as a direct connection between a customer and worker. Yet, this is a bit of an improvement. There usually are more workers between these two substances. These worker or layers added security, deals with and disseminate traffic or help with various other significant capacities. This guideline necessitates the message between the customer and target worker ought to consistently be organized and prepared the same way, paying little mind to layers that sit between them. Extra layers ought not to influence customer-worker communications. When engineers follow this rule, workers' frameworks can be reworked, refreshed, or in any case changed with no impact on the certain solicitation reaction. Cacheable. Reservation happens when media is put away on customer's gadget when visiting a site. When a customer gets back to that site, the reserved information is tagged rapidly from nearby capacity as opposed of being gotten again from the worker. Reserving saves worker assets and data transmission while diminishing page load time, which is why most huge sites do it. REST APIs are made given information storing. At the point when a worker sends its reaction to a customer, the response ought to show whether the asset can be stored and for how long. Code on demand. The last REST stand is discretionary. Whenever wanted, an API can send PC code to customers in its reaction. This engages the customer to run the code in its backend. Up to an API that sticks to this arrangement of rules, it is viewed as RESTful. Be that as it may, these guidelines passes on a lot of space for designers to redo the usefulness of their API. Furthermore, REST sets guardrails for API configuration but surrenders numerous decisions to the designer fabricating the API. Why use REST APIs? PC researcher Roy Fielding presented the REST structure in 2000, and today it shapes how we see change and more content on the web. A significant number of the most well-known web and cloud organizations use REST APIs for their applications, including Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Google. In any case, why REST? Fundamentally, it is an amazing framework for web applications. Here are the principal advantages of this sort of API. REST APIs are adaptable. They can deal with many kinds of socialization and send information in various configurations. REST APIs are versatile. They are intended for correspondence between any two bits of programming, paying little heed to the estimate or capacity. As a web application develops and adds more assets, its REST API will rapidly deal with the expanding sum and assortment of solicitations. REST API fuse existing web innovations, thus making them somewhat simple to construct and utilize. To demand an asset through a REST API, you need to give its URL. How does REST API work? Web application with freely accessible APIs will have documentation accessible on their site designer's part. Here, you will discover directions on the best way to access and utilize the API related to your product. If the API is worked with REST standards, the documentation will likely show this. Numerous APIs require an API key to utilize. An API key is a one-of-the-kind series of characters that an API supplier provides for a designer to approve admittance to their API. Programming interface keys are frequently sent with customer solicitations to recognize the customer to the worker. Keep your API key private. On the off chance that you critically fall into some unacceptable hands, it may very well be utilized to do some not very great things, apparently for your benefit. To try out the public API, utilize an apparatus that can structure HTTP demands similar to Postman. Attempt a wide range of HTTP strategies and URLs and see what occurs. REST API examples. You can discover REST APIs all around the web. You have probably utilized some today without acknowledging it. Here are a couple of models. Twitter. The Twitter API lets outsider applications peruse and compose information. Use it to compose and post tweets, share tweets and read profiles. This API is potent for downloading and dissecting many tweets about explicit themes as study utilizing Twitter's API in our 8. Instagram. The Instagram Basic Display API offers admittance to profile data, photographs and recordings. You can use this API and others to fabricate applications that pull this client data and coordinate it into your item. Instagram additionally has a Graph API accessible for proficient Instagram records to deal with their online exercises. Spotify. Spotify's web API permits customers to demand data about specialists, tunes, collections and playlists on their foundation. Similarly, you can utilize it to add tunes to playlists, interrupt and play music, mix tunes and much more. HubSpots. The entirety of HubSpot's APIs is made with RESTs, shows and intended for vigorous mixes that assist organizations with getting the most work out of HubSpot's apparatuses. You can add progressed usefulness to HubSpot's exceptional showcasing programming and sync your HubSpot's account with other valuable instruments. Final words. Now, when you have gained appropriate knowledge about REST API, we would like to hear your views about today's session in the chat box below. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Scalar's channel.